Lion Imelda Epigera, 55 PMJF. Kapayala Ani Centennial Lions Club. Our Cavite Region, Chairperson, Lion Dr. Santos Castillo, MJF. With our Cabinet Secretary, Lion Eloisa Olivera, MJR, 3PMJF, our Cabinet Treasurer, from Paranaque Finest, 101 Lions Club. Our Past District Governor, Lion Ana Marie Paleside, PMJF, Cabinet Auditor. Of Makati Golden Lions Club. Next, our district, 4th District of Cavite Region, Chairperson, Lion Romeo Kasawa, 6 PMJF. Our District Lion Chairperson, Lion Gino Marie, our Cabinet, Deputy Cabinet Secretary, Lion Dexter Diperia, PMJF of Cavite Aspems, 1 OTA Lion, Lion Marvin Robles. Dr. Lali Feliciano, PMJF.